welcome back to my little kitchen. Today we're going to make some fudgy brownies. For the brownies we'll need all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, instant coffee powder, sugar, dark chocolate, salt, brown sugar, melted butter, choco chips and some room temperature eggs. First we'll start by melting the chocolate. You have to make sure that your melted butter is hot. Now we'll whisk this until it's smooth. Now we're going to beat the eggs in the sugar till they're fluffy. Now we'll add the salt and the melted chocolate. Let's add the dry ingredients. And the flour. Meanwhile, we'll preheat our oven at 200. We'll fold in the chocolate chips. I've lined this baking sheet with parchment paper and greased it with butter. Now we'll add the brownie batter. Now I'll pop this into the oven for about 20-25 minutes. Our fudgy brownies are now ready. I hope you enjoy. Bye!